How to enable YouTube notifications on PC. Enabling YouTube notifications ensures you stay updated on new videos, live streams, and other content from your favorite channels. Here's a simple guide to help you enable notifications on YouTube using your PC. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the YouTube website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the YouTube account settings page. In the Settings menu, click on Notifications from the list on the left sidebar. This section allows you to customize your notification preferences. Here, you can choose how you want to receive notifications, including options for email alerts and desktop notifications. To ensure you receive notifications for new uploads and activity from your favorite channels, go back to the main YouTube page and visit the channels you're subscribed to. For each channel, click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. You will have options to select all, personalized, or none. All, you will receive notifications for all new videos and live streams from the channel. Personalized, you will receive notifications based on your interaction with the channel. None, you will not receive any notifications from that channel. Make sure to select all if you want to get notified about every new video or live stream. If you prefer not to be overwhelmed by notifications, you can choose personalized to get alerts only for content YouTube thinks you might be interested in. Additionally, ensure that your browser settings allow notifications from YouTube. Click on the lock icon next to the YouTube URL in your browser's address bar. Go to Site Settings and check that notifications are allowed. By following these steps, you can easily enable and manage YouTube notifications on your PC, ensuring you stay updated on new content and live events from your favorite channels.